Let's continue our discussion. So, other two-dimensional transformation. Other two-dimensional transformation. There are mainly three types of transformations we have discussed: translation, rotation, and scaling. Okay. The another form, other forms of two-dimensional transformations we can list out the two concepts. They are not considered as the major concepts or major forms of the transformation, but they are the other forms or minor forms of the transformation. One is reflection, and the second one is the shear. So let us begin with the reflection. Hope the concept of reflection you are familiar. Reflection in the sense mirror image, isn't it? Right. So reflection, a transformation that produces a mirror image of an object, which is called as reflection, as you can go through the statement. Transformation that produces a mirror image. Okay. For a two-dimensional reflection, this image is generated relative to an axis of reflection by rotating the object to 180 degree about the reflection axis. Better, let us see the diagram for this. You better observe this diagram. The meaning of reflection you will come to know. Suppose let let it be a triangle which is kept over here, original position. I'll highlight, this is what the original position of the triangle. Let the 3 points of the triangle be 1, 2 and 3. So where exactly the mirror image of 2 and 3 will be obtained, check here. We'll say it as a 2 dash and 3 dash. Okay, let it be 2 dash and this will be 3 dash. And what about the mirror image of point 1? This is the mirror image of point 1, say 1 dash, right? Fine. So reflected position of the triangle. This is what observed as, say this is not it is neither a translation nor a rotation, or even it's not a scaled one. So other form of transformation, but it's a kind of transformation only, we call it as the reflection. The main thing here we have to observe where the reflected image will be generated, on which position the reflected image will be generated. That's why we have taken this diagram. Reflected images of or reflection of point 2 and 3 of the triangle, which what is defined here as the original triangle, sorry, as the original triangle, that will be where exactly the mirror image falls. It will be fall at location 2 dash and 3 dash respectively, right? So how to write the matrix content? To write the contents, the reflection about the line y is 0, that is on the x-axis. Concentrate on this. The reflection about the x-axis is accomplished with the transformation matrix. The transformation matrix, how to write? See, this is what the reflection about x-axis. You have to change the y parameter to -1. So this is very important. The 3 cross 3 matrix in homogeneous coordinate system for a normal object is written as follows. See, I am writing. Okay, it is nothing but x and y, right? X, y, and third value will be 1 in homogeneous coordinate system. That is what P. So what we are doing, coefficient of x we are supposed to write, right? With respect to equation 1, with respect to the first row. What about the coefficient of y? No, there is no y parameter, make it 0. Let the third parameter be 0. Then, okay, this is for point P. Same thing, I am representing the point P. What is mentioned over here, same thing. Then we have y in the second row, right? Y in the second row in the sense what? There is no x parameter, make x parameter 0, y1, last parameter is 0, and then constant to be represented in this way. This is for object P, right? The same object P, we are observing the mirror image of that. So mirror image of that along with the x-axis, that is line for line y equal to 0. That is for line y equal to 0. How to write that? See, you just change this parameter to -1. The coefficient of y, you have to change it to -1. Earlier it was 1, so just change it to -1. Please try to understand this and try to remember this. Okay, very simple concept from where these values comes, because for a normal object we are writing the 3 cross 3 matrix as follows. This you should know. 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. This is for normal object. Now for the mirror imaged one, on which axis you are taking the mirror image? Okay, mirror image along with x-axis, you have to change the y parameter to -1. Please remember. Okay, similarly reflection along with y-axis here, see it is vice versa. Reflection along with y-axis, this is the reflection along with the y-axis. You have positive and negative. See, this is positive y plane, this is negative y plane. Reflection is taken along with the y-axis. So see here, this is the original position. Sorry, this is the original position and this one is the reflected position. One is the original and other one is the reflected position along with y-axis. So you have to change the parameter of x to -1, coefficient of x to -1. Earlier it was 1, now we are changing it to -1. See the matrix content. Check here. See, for line x equal to 0, reflected object 3 cross 3 coordinate homogeneous coordinate system representation will be for reflection along with, this is reflection along with, please remember, along with y-axis for x equal to 0. That was the earlier, it was the reflection along with x-axis. So see here, this is positive x plane, negative x plane, right? So along with, this is what horizontal line. So we have taken the reflection along with earlier horizontal line. Now we are taking the case number 2, we are taking the reflection along vertical line. Please try to understand. Okay, that is y-axis. So what will happen? You have to change the parameter of x to coefficient of x to -1. And one more probability we have, taking the reflection diagonally. Diagonally means in a third quadrant. Sorry, check the next diagram. This is the third quadrant, right? So original position of the object is kept over here. Please see, this is what the original position, but where exactly the reflection happens. See, this is what the reflected position. Here exactly the reflection happens. See, right? This is what reflected object. So earlier in case number 1, we have taken the reflection at along with x-axis, that is these two quadrants. Check the pointer, these two positions we have taken. So horizontal along with horizontal line, reflection was observed. So we have changed the coefficient of y to -1. In case number 2, what we have taken? We have taken it vertically, that is reflection and the original object and reflected object. Check the pointer like this, left and right we have taken. That means x equal to 0, we didn't, yeah, reflection along with y-axis or x equal to 0, you have to change the coefficient of x to -1 and write the matrix. And in case number 3, what we are doing, we are taking it diagonally. So it is very important, you have to write the contents of the matrix as follows. The contents of the matrix will be, sorry, concentrate here, contents of the matrix for xy plane. This is, change the value of the coefficient of both x as well as y to -1. Very simple and very easy to remember. Change both the coefficients of x and y to -1. Okay, please try to understand. Very simple concept. Fine. So any doubt you ask? Okay, just go through the description, go through the videos, watch the videos again. Very simple concept. Reflection. So reflection is nothing but a mirror image. So 3 different forms of reflection we have considered along with the x-axis, y-axis, as well as along with xy plane. For first case number 1, along with x-axis we have taken y is 0 and we have changed the coefficient of y to -1, and later we have changed the coefficient of x to -1 along with y plane. Then along with reflection along with xy plane, what we did, we just changed the coefficients of both x and y to -1 and we have written the matrix. Here the contents of the matrix are. Thank you for watching.